All right, you'll now have to speak on the topic. Describe an argument two of your friends had, please.
The arguments is an important part of our life, and we can get plenty of knowledge from the arguments. Although arguments sometimes lead to the unusual matter, and we can choose the usual topic despite of unusual topic. And here I would like to share my experience which I had recently. And a couple of days ago on Eid al-Fitr, we set up a plan to sit in my drawing room. The mostly my friends and I started to get more knowledge from the different things. And my cousin has been finding a good society for living since January 2022. And when he asked the different society from my friends, one my friend is Mubashir, he started to give the arguments about the Barrier. He started his argument that Barrier has a lot of facilities like as the Barrier Mosque as well as schools and medical school as well as university recently hit open. On the other hand, my Qasim friend was started to give the arguments to the DHA because he was saying that the DHA lead to the airport and the famous market of the Lahore. And this matter was solved when my uncle came in my home because their noise rose up and my uncle gave the arguments instead of DHA to Beria with Mubashir that
Okay, thank you. Overall, it's very good. You speak fluently, clearly, but there are grammatical mistakes. Like you said, one my friend.
Yes.
It should have been one of my friends.
Once.
Then you said my Qasim friend. My friend Qasim. My friend Qasim. And then you said uncle give. It should have been uncle gave.
Uncle gave.
Yeah,
Yes.
these type. But otherwise, apart from this, it's good.
Yes, sir.
Now, let's go on. Speaking part three. Do you think arguments are important?
Although the arguments sometimes lead to the unusual matters, but despite of choose the negative, we should go with the positive things, and we can learn the more from the arguments. Like as the once upon time when I was just sporting to the mobile phone, I was not know about the its drawbacks. When my friend gave me the instruction about the mobile phone and its drawbacks, I got not a lot of knowledge from it. I think it's a good thing.
So that is why I think arguments are really important.
Very important for our life.
Okay, that's good. Just grammar is your weak area, right? Thank you.